Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god, it's attacking me! Oh, you're so mean, Diesel! You're so mean! Schaefer Tracks is here. We're gonna do a track rebuild soon.
See you guys.
He was flexing there. Oh, see you guys later. I guess we're not doing track rebuilds. It's an excavator for excavating things, I think. Hey, you're messing my gravel up!
Got it. Don't worry.
It's like an excavator chasing me into my house right now. That's Joey. That's Joey Quack. He lives in Colorado. All the flooding really messed up my track, blew out all my sections. So I'm having these guys come in, fix it, because it needs fixing. He's going really slow on purpose. He knows I'm vlogging. Oh! Why'd he go so slow? Is that what happens when you like try to go super slow for my vlog? you get that
it backfires.
Yeah, it backfires.
Good morning.
Where's the skid steer? Hi, I just want to talk to you. I was tired of his smart ass, so.
I'm not saying a word all day.
Now we're talking to you.
I work for him.
You had nothing with you. You have no plan. So now what?
We brought a machine here.
I got one machine here.
Yeah? So you're gonna start taking the rocks apart?
If you decide what you want to do, then we'll do that. But regardless, the rocks got to come off, so that's step one.
All right. Well, let's do that then. Let's take the rocks apart. We're gonna take the rocks apart.
Yep.
I gotta get dressed for work. They're making fun of my Lululemons and Uggs. Give me a sec. Wrong work clothes. We're good. Ready to work. Quad vet world champion from 2000, right here. He won't turn around. He won't show his face. Oh,
I don't claim
proud.
that.
See, he's proud of it. It's too hot out here for you?
Yeah. Don't need a super puff.
Damn Coloradian. Look at the rest of us. Look at the rest of us.
Bring me my coat.
Beanies, jackets, freezing. This is where world championships are won, Joey.
I can tell.
Domestic.
Hey, what do I gotta do to get you in a PLAECO shirt?
I got one.
You're
Stand in line.
wearing my competition right there.
Give me another one.
We're like, PLAECO's huge, you know? Volcom's kind of small compared to PLAECO.
I get weird looks at the airport in a shirt that says "create rad shit" on it all day.
That's fine, man. It's people appreciate it. People look at you. They notice you that way.
Rad shit.
Where is Diesel?
He's in his natural habitat.
So he's guarding the house inside, sleeping.
Well, this used to be.
He's on my bed. Dirt to this guy is like all you out there looking at butt snorkeler.
Yeah. poor comparison.
That was pretty similar. You're the dirt snorkeler. Good one, Joey.
Yeah, same exact ones.
Those are cute.
Just trying to fit in.
Those are cute, Shane. Things are getting pretty serious over here.
Wet.
All right, now that's done by a lot of work by my part. We can maybe get started on the track teardown. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Say bye, Diesel. Did you say bye?